Now we'll be taking a look at the randomize and smoothing tools in Blender. Let's go ahead and delete this default cube, and we're going to add a plane object. And let's tap into edit mode, and we can right click and subdivide. It's going to subdivide our model, so each face will be divided 4 times, and then we can do this multiple times to add data quickly across our entire object. So once we have this data added, the next tool that we have right under our spin tool, we have the randomize tool. Inside this we have smooth and randomize, so you can left click and hold and select between these. Let's start with randomize. When you have this tool activated, you click and hold on this icon and move your mouse left and right, and you can see that it sort of randomizes your entire object. You can hold on shift so that you have more control over how you want to randomize this. So it's really helpful for sort of quickly creating ground and those kinds of things. And you can open the operators panel and you can change the seed. You can also sort of change the amount afterwards, and then you can also sort of play around with the normal direction down here. And then if you have an object like this and you want to sort of smooth it out, then you can use the opposite tool. So the smoothing tool is going to give you opposite of randomize. So again, you hold down left mouse button, and then in the operators panel you can increase the repeat to smooth it further. But you'll notice that these sort of edges sort of shrink towards the center. So that's how you can use these two tools in Blender.